To add a Ventura card to Apple Wallet, the process is relatively straightforward. First, download the relevant pass to your wallet application on your iPhone, which can be found in the Apple Store. Once downloaded, access the application and navigate to the section where you can add various cards and passes. Click on the menu, then select the Pass Store, which is a convenient method for adding cards. Use the search bar to find the Ventura card. Select it, and then click on the card option. You will need to have your physical card with you, as you will be required to scan it or manually enter the information to add it to your wallet. The application will guide you through the process, allowing you to enter the necessary details and preview the card before adding it. Once you have completed the steps, click Add to finalize the process. Your Ventura card should now be visible in your Apple Wallet.